Madden 13. They call this football. EA Sports calls this football, ladies and gentlemen. Who touched him? Who hit him? This is what EA Sports calls football and has been calling football for years. I'm going to slow it down. I'm going to zoom it in. Where we at? Okay. I want you out there watching this bullshit to tell me, send me an email or something, let me know if you've seen somebody literally actually tackle him. Oh my God. There must be a ghost in this game, folks. Swept him off his feet. Holy shit.